Westerham Flyer here. Well, what a year. Halfway through the year, and now we can get out on our bikes. Well, that's if you live in England. Here I am riding up to Southborough. The lockdown, right. You're allowed to ride anywhere you want to in England, but you mustn't ride to Wales or Scotland or Northern Ireland, come to that. But there's a sea in the way. Never mind. Yes, you mustn't gather in groups. So you mustn't go to your normal motorcycle haunts. And I think that's basically it. I've been riding to work, and I've been get groceries, get about 1 pint of milk in my bag, I think. Not many groceries. You can go and get fuel. But now you're allowed to ride anywhere you want. You can go down the seaside, but they don't want you down there. Never mind. Let's continue up to Southborough, and then let's have a stop there on the Common there. It's a beautiful area. Just enjoying the first bit of freedom for months. So many places I could have filmed at have all been cancelled, of course. So, and I don't see any event being held this year, so the chance of any events being filmed are pretty low. Don't know if it'll all be over by the time the remembrance comes along in November. We'll have to see. Anyway, just enjoy the ride, and that's it. It's a lovely, beautiful Sunday afternoon, summer evening sun, beautiful, still lovely and warm, just right for a ride. So anybody, get out on your bikes and enjoy. This is the Westerham Flyer signing out. Bye.